Good morning, everyone. I am Abhinav. This is Sumit, and this is Pranav. We are the EcoDrops team, and we are studying in grade 11 at Excel Public School, Mysore.
Our theme focuses on smart and resilient communities. Our focus is on creating smart cities with efficient and sustainable water management. The problem we are tackling is the integration of decentralized water management systems with an integrated platform for real-time monitoring and improved emergency response.
Traditional water management systems struggle with coordination, duplication, delayed responses, and limited data sharing, significantly hindering effective urban water management. Many existing solutions are fragmented, focusing on isolated aspects without offering a unified platform, leading to high costs, limited customization, and integration challenges.
Our primary research included an interview with Umesh Chandra D, Executive Engineer at the Karnataka Urban Water Supply and Drainage Board in Mysore. He emphasized the need for an integrated real-time monitoring system.
To overcome the above limitations, we are proposing AquaSmart, a unified monitoring platform that consolidates various water management functionalities. These include water level monitoring, flood detections, water quality monitoring, and leakage detection across multiple zones into a single streamlined system. This platform leverages IoT technologies, real-time data processing, and intelligent alert systems to ensure efficient, sustainable, and proactive water management for urban environment.
Our system focuses on water level and leakage monitoring, which is shown in Zone 1 of our prototype. We use water level sensors paired with ESP8266 microcontrollers to gather real-time data from overhead tank. This data is sent to a Node.js server, visualized on a user-friendly web page, and stored in an SQLite database. If water levels exceed a threshold, automatic email notifications are sent to stakeholders.
For leakage detection, water flow sensors are installed along pipelines to monitor flow rates. If there is a significant discrepancy indicating a potential leak, the system sends alerts. Our system focuses on water quality monitoring, which is shown in Zone 2 of our prototype. We use an ESP32 microcontroller with sensors for temperature, pH, turbidity, and total dissolved salts to ensure water safety. Real-time data is transmitted to the Node.js server, visualized on the web page, and stored in the SQLite database.
Our system focuses on flood detection, especially in low-lying areas, which is shown in Zone 3 and Zone 1 of our prototype. A 3D printed rain gauge monitors precipitation levels. If readings exceed a set threshold, alerts are sent to notify stakeholders of potential flooding risks. Our user-friendly web interface and intelligent alert system provides real-time data and ensures a swift response to any water management issues, enhancing public health and safety and also infrastructure resilience. Existing solutions often face high costs, limited customization, and data privacy concerns. AquaSmart addresses these issues with a cost-effective, customizable, and secure system, leveraging open-source hardware and software.
Three of us came up with the idea of developing this unified platform. We three helped each other with coding and building the system. We thank our mentor for guiding us throughout the entire project. Thank you.